Good morning, students. How are you? Today, Tuesday, 13, 10, 2020. Addition and subtraction. Firstly, let us look at some words that means the same thing as addition. Addition. This sign is the sign used for addition. Whenever you come across this sign, it simply means you are to count the numbers given together. Plus. Plus is the same thing as addition. Plus, count together. Add up. If we are asked to add up some set of numbers, it simply means you count the numbers together. Sum, sum, sum. When you are asked to sum up or find the sum of some set of numbers, it's the same thing as count the numbers together. Total, total. Whenever you are given some set of numbers and you are asked to find their total, what you are meant to do is count the numbers together. More than, more than. For instance, 10 more than a number means 10 plus that number, all together. When you are given some set of numbers and the question is count it all together, that means you add the number all together. These words, they are also the same as addition. So whenever you come across any of these words in a question, you are to add the numbers together. Do you remember from our previous level, the previous class, do you remember what is 43 plus 6? Firstly, you look at the numbers in this question. We have 43 plus 6. Now, the next thing you do is you place each digit under the place value. 43. Looking at 43, 43 is a two-digit number. So we have tens and units. The digit 4 is under the tens, while digit 3 is under the units. Plus, always write the sign plus 6. Digit 6 is one digit number, which is 6 units. Firstly, we look at this question. Now, if we want to solve this question, we start from the right hand side of the place value table. You start from the right hand side of the place value table. You move from the right to the left. That means solving this question, you always start from the unit side. We add the unit. Firstly, we add the unit. We move from the right hand side of the place value table to the left. The unit is 3 units plus 6 units. 3 units plus 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 units plus 6 units equals to 9 units. Next, we add the tens. We add the tens. Under the tens, we have 4 tens plus, looking at under the 4 is empty. So that means 4 tens plus 0. And 0 means nothing. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. That means 4 tens plus 0 equals to 4. Since 0 means nothing, 4 tens plus 0 equals to 4. 43 plus 6 equals to 49. 43 plus 6 equals to 49. Find the sum of 435 and 24. Find the sum of 435 and 24. Remember, I told you the word sum means come together. The word sum means plus. Firstly, let's write out the question. What we are asked to do. 435 plus, the plus means the word sum. The word sum means plus. 24. This is what we are asked to do. This is what we are asked to do. Next, we place each digit under the place value. 100, we tens, units. We place each digit under the place value. First, we start from 435. 400. The 3 there is 3 tens, and the 5 in 435 is 5 units. Plus, always remember to put the sign. 24. 24 is 2-digit number. The 2 is 2 tens, and the 4 is 4 units. The place value is 4 units. Remember, I told you we move from the right of the place value table to the left. And the right is, the first is the unit. First, we add the units. 5 units plus 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 units plus 4 units is equals to 9 units. Next, we add the tens. Next, we add the tens. We add the tens. Now, let's look at the number under the tens. 3 tens plus 2 tens. 3 tens plus 2 tens. 3 tens, 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, plus 2 tens, 1 10, 2 tens, equals to 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. 3 tens plus 2 tens equals to 5 tens. Next, we add the 100. We add the digits under the 100. Under the 100, we have 4 plus nothing. 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0. That is 400 plus 0, 100. 100, 200, 300, 400. 400 plus 0 is equals to 400. 400. The sum of 400 535 and 24 is 459. Subtraction. Let's look at some words that mean the same as subtraction. The sign used for subtraction is this. This is the sign used for subtraction. Under subtraction, we have minus. Given a question asked to minus, it means you subtract. Subtract and minus, the same words. They are the same thing. Difference. We can be asked to find the difference between two numbers. Difference means minus the numbers from each other. How many left? How many left? The word how many left still means the same thing as minus. Less than. The word less than is the same, have the same meaning as subtraction. Take away. The word take away, the same meaning, have the same meaning as minus. So when you come across any of these words, what you are simply do, or what you are asked to do, is to minus. What you are asked to do is to minus. Do you remember? Subtract 2 from 53. In this question, we are asked to minus 2 from 53. Remember, I told you the first thing you do is to place each digit under the place value. Now, looking at each digit, we have 2 from 53. Subtract 2 from 53. 53 is two-digit numbers. So we have tens and units. Tens and units. The digit 5 is in the tens place. The digit 3 is in the units place. Remember, minus. Subtract means minus. Remember to put your sign. Minus 2. 2 here is a one-digit number. A digit number is unit, 2 units. So we put 2 under the unit side. Also remember, I told you we move from the right hand side of the place value table to the left hand side. That means the first thing we do is to subtract. We subtract the unit. We subtract the unit, which is 3 units minus 2 units. 3 units minus 2 units. 1, 2. 3 units minus 2 units equals to 1 unit. 3 units minus 2 units equals to 1 unit. Next, we subtract their tens. Next, we subtract their tens. Now, let's look at the numbers under the tens. We have 5 minus empty space is blank. 5 minus empty, it means 5 minus 0. Remember, I told you 0 means nothing. 5 tens minus 0 10. 5 tens minus 0. 0 means nothing. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. 5 tens minus 0 equals to 5 tens. 53 minus 2 equals to 51. 53 minus 2 equals to 51. Find the difference between 534 and 31. Find the difference between 534 and 31. Remember, I told you the word difference means the same thing as minus. Firstly, in this question, we write out what we are asked to do. 534 minus 31. The word minus is, the sign minus is from the word difference. The sign minus is from the word difference. Next, we place each digit under the place value. We place each digit under the place value table. Hundreds, tens, units. 534. 500. The 3 in 534 is 3 tens. And the 4 in 534 is 4 units. Minus. Always remember to put your sign. 31. 31 is 2-digit number. The number 3 is 3 tens. It's 3 tens, stands for 3 tens. The number 1 in 31 stands for 1 unit. Remember, I told you we start from the right. We move from the right hand side of the place value table to the left hand side. And the right hand side, the first step we do is we subtract the unit side. The unit side. 4 minus 1. 4 units minus 1 unit. 4 units minus 1 unit. 1, 2, 3. 4 units minus 1 unit equals to 3 units. Next, we subtract their tens. Next, we subtract their tens. Now, let's look at the numbers under the tens. 3 tens minus 3 tens. 3 tens minus 3 tens. 1 ten minus 2 tens minus 3 tens. 3 tens minus 3 tens is equals to 0. 3 tens minus 3 tens is equals to 0. Next, we subtract the hundred place. We subtract the numbers under the hundred place on the place value table. Now let's look at the numbers under the hundred place. 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0. Remember, I told you 0 means nothing. 500 minus 0. 500 minus 0 equals to 5. 500 minus 0 equals to 5. The difference between 534 and 31 is 503. The difference between 534 and 31 is 503. Class activity. Question 1, A and B, is question on addition. Question 2, A and B, are questions on subtraction. We have to do question 1, A and B, 2, A and B. Do have a nice day.